Now it's recording.
Okay.
All you're gonna do, just hold. Just follow me. It's a wide angle.
Okay.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see me anyway. No, just do it like
Yeah.
that. Hello there. We have a friend here. And his name is Sunny. And she's talking. Hello, Sunny. Hello. How are you? Hello. You know what you do? You make a lot of mess over here. You see that? You see the floor? Cameraman, show the floor. Because Sunny have to take care. Don't make a mess. Alright? Oh no. You think it's funny, Sunny? Huh? No. Hello. Don't shake. I'm not. No.
How are you?
How are you? How are me? I'm fine, thank you. So, what else you gonna say?
Say, call Lori.
Call. Oh,
Lori.
what you say? Say it again.
Who is that? Who is that?
Hello. Can you say the word Noli? Noli? Noli?
No? Why?
Oh, where you going? You going?
Stop.
No, he's still recording that one. Yeah, here we go. He's still recording. It's just like
Oh,
you see.
okay.
You can make closer to her. Okay, say hello.
Say hello.
Hello, it's so cute. Hello there. Can you whistle? Huh? Eugene, can you say something?
Say.
Say it. Oh, you are sexy. Oh, look at that.
You like?
Oh, you can see it. You'll be famous. Hello. Oh, hello. All right. Remember, you're laughing. Listen. Yes, Miss Sunny, don't make a mess when you eat, okay? Did you say okay?
Call. She's upstairs.
Oh, you got it. Okay. All right. Where are you going?
Come say hello.
Hello. Wait. Come to me.
No, I don't want to. You're not going to be a good pretty girl.
All right, I'll leave you alone. Okay. Before she gets mad. All right, I'm gonna take a last video of you. All right. It's beautiful. You're so sexy. Huh? All right, look at the camera. Look at that.
Say, I'm 37.
Look at that. Huh? Whoop. Can you dance?
She broke a wing here, so.
What happened?
She broke it years ago.
Oh. Okay. I'll leave you alone now, okay?
She's 37.
37 years old?
She's a...
Oh my God, you're senior citizen. You got... not
she's
yet?
just in the prime of her life.
Oh, wow.
Goes
Okay.
to 70.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sunny. Bye. So.